Hi, and welcome to Fred Builds Bikes. This week we'll be looking at the clutch cable and throttle cable routing on a CB250RS in response to a reader question on my blog. So let's get into it. So here's a quick time lapse. The clutch cable comes down underneath the instrument cluster here. Down here, behind the mounting bracket for the speedo, and out the other side, this one here. Now I'll put a photo in around now as to what's going on behind the tank, but there's a mounting bracket there that you should be able to see, and that will hold it until it comes down to the side of the engine here. Throttle cables are very similar. They come down through the back and then over this side, and then they also have a little mounting bracket underneath the tank. I'll put a photo in here, and they come down to the carburetor. There should be a photo of that on your screen now. Now, as far as routing the cables goes, there's actually a joint in the frame here. There'll be a photo on your screen hopefully, and there's actually a section where the cables go through. Now, I found it's easiest to actually take that mounting plate off, so see how you go, and hopefully that'll see you through. I'll also try and get some photos from the manual of this section as well. So Nick, I hope that answers your question, and if you have any more questions about the CB250RS or any of the other bikes you've seen me work on my blog, please feel free to post another comment or comment on this video. And one thing I try not to get into too much is how much of a mess my shed is, but here's what's happened with the cleanup of the tool wall I've done. I'm going to use this piece of pegboard here, and I'm going to look at changing that to actually become part of 2 workbenches. So I'm not sure if I'll cover that on this video and on my bike blog, or if I'll cover it on the woodworking blog, but I'll post a link either way, and hopefully some footage of the new bench in action.